Hello everyone, I introduce my name is Via Farida with the NPM 202041500281 from class R1A. Here, I will explain the advantage and disadvantage of education in life. There are many advantages that we will get if we have a lot of knowledge as follows. 1. Education helps us to reach our goals. 2. Having broad thoughts. 3. Foster self-confidence. 4. Education can bring success. 5. Know better that is wrong and that is right. The drawback is that lack of education can affect many factors in our lives, such as a lack of understanding of the knowledge that exists in this world, so that it can be left behind with the times that are starting to rapidly. In economic factor, there will be weaknesses in facing financial problems, where the solution must be accompanied by knowledge. With a lack of knowledge, our chances of achieving our goals will be minimal. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Diah Mahardika. My NPM 202041 5010. The advantage of education in my life is with education can add insight and knowledge. Education can make me better person, train my academic skill, can have many friends so they can socialize well. While the disadvantage of education in my life is require quite a lot of money, there are some educator course learning method are less effective, so I cannot understand them well. When learning online, there are often problems with signal, inadequate facilities and infrastructure. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Ayunur Aziza. My number in PM is 2020 41 5 000 and 26. The advantage and disadvantage of education, in my opinion, in carrying out our education, we will get many benefits, and one of which we will gain knowledge. The second, we will have broad insight. Then, by deepening our education, we will be more appreciated by others. And still, there are many more benefits that can be obtained from exploring education. Then I thought there was no disadvantage in undergoing education, because in life we need knowledge. This knowledge we will get when we undergo education, unless in studying education we get the wrong knowledge. For example, it becomes wrong association and so on. Then it will hurt ourselves and our parents. After that, the government that was not evenly distributed in providing educational assistance made it difficult for people in rural areas to get a good education. That is the loss in my opinion. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May I introduce? My name is Trirus Handayani with the NPM 202041500011 from class R1A. Here I will explain the advantages and disadvantages of my education in life. Speaking of education, education is not only coming from school, but also coming from family. The educational advantage I have in life from my family is that I can become more self-reliant and responsible, since I was 3 years old, I had been left behind to work by my parents, so I had been cared for by others until I was 8 years old. By the time I was 8 years old, I was no longer in foster care. Eventually, if my parents had gone to work, I was just going through the days by myself. From that experience, I can become more self-reliant and responsible. As for the education in life I received from school, I received the knowledge, the skill, the discipline, and the confidence that would serve my future. That with science, skill, discipline, self-confidence, that makes me better and makes me competitive in the job world. I don't think there is any cost to my education in life because all the knowledge I've gained will benefit my future. However, I think the lessons learned in school that are in the country of Indonesia are too much. Not all children in Indonesia are able to master all the subjects since each child has its own strengths and weaknesses, and each of the children's talents and interests are improved so that the boy can take charge of the field. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mukti Nugrahendi. ID number student 20 41 50 00 and 31. I'm from class regular 1A, Biology Program Studies. I want to convey the advantages and disadvantages to education. Disadvantages of education. 1. The quality of teacher is still lacking. It is necessary to hold training of teacher. 2. The learning method is not quite right. 3. The existing curriculum since I was in elementary school to senior high school still prioritize knowledge over behavior. Even though it will be difficult for us to socialize in the community if we prioritize knowledge over attitude. 4. Insufficient facilities to support education. 5. The government's error in prioritizing science over attitude. Advances in education. 1. As a result of the previous curriculum, there were many smart people in Indonesia, but that intelligence was not balanced with good behavior. 2. Came from students who can listen well. 3. Currently, learning has improved because the graduation determination system does not only use national exam scores, but from report cards and the learning process. Thank you very much. See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Hania Azara. I'm from class R1A Biology Education, NPM 2020 41 516. Disadvantage and advantage education. Disadvantage education, namely number 1. Incomplete facilities, especially in school located in a remote area. 2. The high cost of education. 3. The abundance of human research has not been able to produce quality teachers. Quality here is not in personal terms, but in reality about the teaching force in general. There are still many teaching staff who are less active and less qualified in the fields they teach. Therefore, it is necessary to organize and continue to hold training for teachers. 4. The low welfare of teachers. 5. The government priorities knowledge over attitude. Even though it is smart, there are some people who do not use this knowledge for good things, but instead to deceive ignorant people, for example, corruption. 6. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the learning system used only learning methods, which resulted in a lack of interaction between teachers and students, making it difficult for teachers to control their students. 7. Lack of supervision in conducting online learning sometimes makes students lose focus while learning. With the ease of internet access, some students tend to procrastinate, becomes focused, and achieve goals. 8. The level of understanding varies depending on the student ability. There are those who are left behind and even don't understand the material provided by the teachers. Advantage of education, namely, number 1. Currently, learning has improved because the system for determining graduation does not only use national exam scores, because if you use this system, you feel unfair. For example, going to high school for 3 years, but passing is excluded from a national exam, which is only held for a few days. And now it is good because it uses a system of 14% report card scores and 16% national exam scores, so that graduation is not only assessed from the national exam but also from the process. 2. During the COVID-19 pandemic, students did not continue to depend on teachers. They could also learning via internet. Students were also trained to master information technology that was constantly developing. Currently, students are learning to use devices that can raise awareness that devices can also be used for things that are more productive and educate, not only for playing social media and games. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Apika Apilia, NPM 2020-41500032. Educational speaking. Education has an important role in developing one's ability, namely as a means of obtaining knowledge which will later become proficient in life in the community. The advance of education in my life is getting knowledge, aiding broader insight and knowledge for the future, as well as training responsibility and mental training which will be useful when entering the world of work. Lack of education, such a forcing to follow a lesson, is the same as limiting what one has or talent. One more example is that it is more concurred with intellect that's creativity. Even though being smart is not only in the academic field, it can also be non-academic.
Hello everybody, I am Dimas Aditya Nugroho. Here I want to share to you about the advantage and my disadvantage about what I learned so far in my life. First, I want to share about the advantage. I think it would be a lot if I tell about the advantage I learned so far, but there one lesson that changed my perspective in life. That lesson I got from my harsh chemistry teacher. he taught me if we have to confidence to be able to understand or be able to do something, then it must be possible. All we need to do just to believe and try. If we fall, we just need to try and to believe again. Second, I want to share to you about the disadvantage. I feel that the standardization of my learning success is judged by the value that I got on tests. Even though I feel that the understanding, the material percent is more important than just a value that must be proven. In my opinion, it is better if the exam is even more difficult, but teacher must given a clue to answer, so that is not memory that is required, but the understanding and the creative value of the student being tested and assessed, so that no blank worksheet will appear at all later. So that is my advantage and my disadvantage about my education in my life. Thank you for your attention and watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.